Hi, I'm going to give you a quick demo of Dr. Mole. This is the Windows Phone version. There is also an Android version available. So I'm going to go ahead here, open up the application, and what the application is designed to do is to scan your moles in real time and basically give you a risk assessment of how dangerous that mole is. So if you look here, I've got a couple of moles on my leg which I'm going to go ahead and scan. So let's begin taking a photo. And you can see the application is using augmented reality technology. So basically in real time I'm actually analyzing the moles. So you can see there, if I move the camera out the way, I'm just having a look at those moles there. This first one here, pretty harmless. Color, border, asymmetry is all pretty low. It's just a regular mole. However, if I go down to this one here, you'll notice that the color is slightly more dangerous. If you look carefully, you can see that's because the bottom of the mole is it's multiple shades. The bottom is a lot darker than the top. So if I just focus here, hopefully we'll be able to see that a bit clearer. Yeah, so if you look at the image on the left there, it's basically just a zoomed in image of that mole, and you can see it's a lot darker on the bottom. You can obviously from the screen you can also just get an idea of how symmetrical the mole is, as well as what's the border like. Is it smooth or is it jagged? You've also got the ability to adjust the camera sensitivity. So if I turn this off, you can see there's a lot more black on the screen. It makes the algorithm more sensitive. And if I put it to the top, you can see it gets rid of a lot of the interference from the shadows and that are being cast. So let's go ahead and actually do a detailed analysis of this mole. So if you go back to the summary here, you've actually got all your results nicely summarized. You can also give it a name if you wanted to. And what's cool is you can set a reminder so that you can tell yourself, hey, I want to remind myself in a month or whatever to scan this mole again. So if you go back to the home page, you'll see you've got basically from here you can actually access any mole that you've set in the past, and you can go view that detailed analysis one that I took previously. And then you can go scan through that and see what that mole is like.